moving a decent amount of air as it should. Works great. Put this new remote in today, so it works like a charm. And I also bent some of the blades back in place because it was bent when I got here. High speed. Puts out a decent amount of air. And it spins much faster, as it should. Has some bearing noise because this thing gets used a lot. But this fan's over 18 years old, so it works really well. And there you go. There you have it. It works. New receiver and everything.